Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're fine in all good condition. So today I want to tell to you about the lessons of mathematics. Before that, I want to introduce myself first. Hello everyone, my name is Marsha, Shaquila, Putri, and I'm from 9.3 at the list 23. So the lesson what I tell today about mathematics, and then the material is about quadratic equation. The definition of standard form of quadratic equation is a quadratic equation is an algebraic equation of the second degree in X. Zero form of quadratic equation in X is an equation that can be written in the standard form ax2 plus bx plus c, and the total is 0, where a and b and c are real number and a 0. And then b, roots of quadratic equation is the roots of a quadratic equation are two values of x which are obtained by solving of the quadratic equations. These roots have the quadratic equation are also called the zeros of the equation. For the example, the roots of the equation x2 mean 3x and mean 4, and the total is 0 are x, and mean 1 and x is the total is 4, because each of them have satisfies the equation. And the c, sum and product of roots of quadratic equation, the coefficient of x2 and then x terms, and the constant of the quadratic equations ex2 plus bx plus c, the total 0, are useful in determining the sum and product of the roots of the quadratic equation. The sum and product of the roots of a quadratic equation can be directly calculated from the equation without actually finding the root of the quadratic equation. For a quadratic equation, ex plus bx plus c, the total 0. The sum and product of the root are as follows. The methods to solving quadratic equations. A quadratic equation can be solved to obtain two values of x or the two roots of the equations. There are four different methods to find the roots of the quadratic equation. The four methods of solving the quadratic equations are as follows. One is factorizing quadratic equations. Two is methods of completing the square, and three is using the quadratic formula. And the fourth is scrubbing method to find the roots. So the last what I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.